We've landed in Bali and we found what's going to be the temp bear den. We've been opening our offices in Singapore, so we're excited to be in the Asian continent. The internet is fast. We have a new co-working space, so let's bring you and show you into the bear den. So, right off the get-go, we end up in this nice little front courtyard. There's a few cool things that we like about Bali. There's the fact that all over the place you find stuff like this. There's a little Buddha praying, meditating, and well, as far as I can tell, happy to be here. There's incense stocked in the bottom, and daily there's actually women that come to these shrines here in our little garden and leave offerings for the forest spirits? I'm gonna go with forest spirits. I think it's great. You find multiples of them. There's actually one here as well. And as we go down, we get a nice look into our hallway. The entrance is pretty nice. Wooden door here, pops open. The walkway. Now right as you enter the home, there's this nice, beautiful pool area. It's more than deep enough to dive into. The new home's great so far. Can't explain why I like doing this. Now, I don't have that much experience making videos or vlogs or anything like that. This is all actually relatively new to me. My goal when I started Arcane Bear was just sharing and communicating value, but I'm a creator. I've been a creator my whole life. Different instruments, how to make them, how to play them, and more importantly, how to keep myself amused as I go through life. Now, these are the things that I love doing. Content creation is definitely the ones that pushes my boundaries to do something that A, I'm not yet very good at, and B, the next step is really trying to do this frequently. For those of you that have been joining us since August, I've been going live every day as often as I could, and now that we've been traveling, it's been a bit more difficult. So this is the new home base. What I want to show you today is where we're gonna set up. So check out the rest of the house. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, how much does a place like this cost? And I'll let you know, it's actually around 12 million rupees. So I'm basically rolling around here like a millionaire. All jokes aside, 1 million rupees is approximately $100. It's not worth all that much. This place goes for around $1,200 a month. You get private pool, ding. Extra bedroom, ding. Money on bed not included. Extra bedroom has spare bathroom, ding. Spare bathroom comes with all the amenities. Shower, shower, ding. Toilet, ding. Sink, ding. Mirror, ding. Easy. I have to step in the pool to show you. This one is actually gonna be where the office is. Bear production facility aside from our co-working space, which Outpost, thank you for that. It's great, nice. I'll show you theirs. That's tomorrow's vlog. Again, I'm trying to do this every day. It's significantly more difficult than you might imagine. Way harder than I thought or anticipated, but I'm gonna try anyways. So this spare bedroom is now gonna be the office. Just down the way, you've got the kitchen. Kitchen comes complete with a nice little seating area. We've brought some of our favorite fruits. Mangosteens, these are amazing. One of the joys of staying in countries like this, right along the equator, lines of Taurus and Capricorn, is you get these beautiful fruits. For those of you that have not tried a mangosteen, I can't really explain to you how delicious this is, but I can show you, and I can give you the auditory experience you get. It's absolutely delicious. This, along with guanabana, is by far my favorite fruits. Tastes kind of like a very sweet Jolly Rancher, and it's absolutely delicious. If you have never tried it, I would go out of my way to actually try mangosteen. I mean, the cupboards aren't necessarily full utensils, but there's enough. Coffee mugs, plates, standard. I almost want to break one. Maybe next week. It would actually be the hassle of cleaning it that I don't want to go through right now. The bathroom, as you may have noted from some of my other videos, is one of my favorite spots, mostly because the shower's in there, and I love a good hot shower. Clothes, I haven't unpacked yet. I'm too busy showing you guys the house. This is kind of a nice marble sink. No tonality or musicality to the sink either, but you can always dream, right? The toilets are actually really unique here. For those of you that are new to this country, hold on. Yeah, it comes straight out of the toilet. I've never used it, but I'm assuming it's just as useful as toilet paper. Shower and bath. There's no window here. There's just outside. In the bathtub, outside is right here. The bathroom is actually quite nice. The main bedroom is stocked full of, well, the things I use to vlog. And the rest of my devices. It's actually 3 ways to get into the main bedroom. Door 1, door 2, and door 3. That's a lot of choice. I personally keep it simple. Last but not least here, obviously for sunbathing, this is a great spot. So, why am I doing this? Because I love to. Joining us on the Bali vlog. Remember to give us those thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share all these videos with your families and friends. This is Teal with the Arcane Bear, reminding you that you are the most valuable part of not just your life, but often others as well. So keep yourself motivated, do what you love to do, and we'll see you guys again on the other side.